In a previous video, we did the code for the weekly pay, and in another video, we modified the logic to add overtime. So we're going to take that logic for this decision for over 40 hours, and we're going to include that in our Python code. So we'll just save this, and I'm just going to do a save as, and we'll change the name to weekly pay. And I'm just going to add overtime to the name so I can keep that straight. And so now we've got a separate file. If we need to refer back after we start making changes here, we can always refer back to the original, or if we need that original without the overtime part in there, we still have that. So if we look at the logic of how we did this, everything was good up until we inputted hourly wage, and then we needed an if in there, so we'll do that in Python. We'll right here just say if hours worked is greater than 40. We have a special condition, and so we'll go in there and we need to calculate overtime pay, and the overtime pay is going to be equal to the hours worked minus 40, again because we only get overtime on the hours that are in excess of 40, so that'll be multiplied times the hourly wage times 1.5. Okay, total pay, and set that equal to hourly wage times the original 40 hours plus the overtime. Okay, otherwise else we're going to just have the regular old assignment statement we had before, calculating total pay. So anything under 40, we're going to do this. Anything over, well, including 40, anything over 40, let me fix my syntax error there. And let's run this. And so enter the hours worked, and let's go ahead and put in 50. And I'm going to say 47.02 as the hourly wage, and we come out with $2,586 and 10 cents. And let's run it one more time. And we'll just go ahead and test the other side and put in 40. And same amount of wages, 47.02, and that's, yeah, $18.80 and 80 cents. So we'll save that, and this is our if logic to include the overtime pay calculation.